Hey there, corporate trainers. Welcome back to the channel where we empower you to empower others. Today, I'm diving into something absolutely crucial for anyone looking to boost their career or their business: top corporate training programs. In today's fast-paced business world, skill development isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Companies everywhere are investing in their teams, and at ISDM NxT, we're leading that transformation. So what are these top corporate training programs that are making waves and creating new revenue streams? Let's break it down. First up, Advanced Excel and Data Management. This is still the #1 corporate skill in demand. From lookups to pivot tables, dashboards to automation, our Excel training empowers employees to work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Next, we have MIS Reporting and Business Analytics. Every manager needs insights, right? This program teaches how to build MIS reports, track KPIs, and use tools like Excel, Power BI, and Google Sheets for real-time decision-making. Moving on to Human Resource Management, or HRM. We train HR professionals in recruitment, payroll, employee engagement, compliance, and modern HR software. It's ideal for small companies and growing startups. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence for professionals. From automation to predictive analytics, our AI programs help companies understand the tech that's reshaping industries. It's not just for coders, it's for every decision maker. And last, but definitely not least, digital marketing and online branding. Perfect for SMEs, entrepreneurs, and marketing teams. We train them on SEO, Google Ads, social media strategies, email marketing, and performance analytics. These programs are short-term but high impact, delivered online or on-site, backed by real-world case studies, conducted by industry-certified trainers, and come with government-recognized certifications. So, as an ISDM NxT franchise partner, you can deliver these trainings in local companies, at your training center, industry clusters, or even virtually. We provide program content, trainer resources, corporate proposal kits, marketing materials, and leads support. This is your chance to go beyond student batches and enter the world of professional training and corporate upskilling. Whether you're in a Tier 1 city or a growing town, businesses near you need this, and your center can be the one to deliver. Visit www.ISDM NxT in today and get started with ISDM NxT's top corporate programs. ISDM NxT train teams, transform careers, grow your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Catch you in the next video.